back to my YouTube channel, The Drama Diary, where we sip coffee or tea and spill the truth, the spicier ones. So, today's episode will be a follow up of the previous episodes, that's the block, mute, and full stop. But today I have bought someone special, someone like my backup for this episode. So, let's get started. So meet my unfiltered, unbothered, and sometimes too real bestie, Shohan. Okay, so today we're gonna take his his POV or his ways of dealing with energy vampires or ghosters or people who just needs to be digitally deleted. So ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so let's get started. So the first segment is called block, mute, or entertain. So here I'm gonna throw some situations at you.
Okay.
Situation bolbo and toke bolte hobe how you gonna deal with them. Like how you gonna deal with this people. Like
Okay.
I will give you some situation. You will get it. Okay.
I see.
So number one situation is, let's say someone who only texts you when they are bored, like you know that they don't reply to you but they only reply to you when, or it texts you when they are bored or anything, then how you gonna reply, like whether to reply korbi ki korbi na, how you gonna deal with it
No, no, no. I will reply them when I will bored.
when
That
you will be bored?
yes,
তখন you will
yes, yes, yes.
nice answer.
Because see, when you get a closer, like if you don't want to talk or something, and eventually do text when they are bored. So it's better to do when you are bored too.
Yes,
Yes,
like deal with the people as they deal with you. That's the
yes,
same
same.
treatment. Like yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Moving on. The second situation is a friend who said they were too busy. Like ধর তোর কোনো একটা প্ল্যান ছিল that তুই বলি যে চল ভাই বেরোই আজকে and all, and they said no, actually busy আছি আমি and all, but তুই ধর বাইরে গিয়ে দেখলি সেম টাইমে সেম জায়গায় they are sitting with your enemy having lunch, having dinner, snacks, anything. What you what you gonna do?
Straightforward. I'm gonna click that as friend a picture simply and send to him right then what you are doing with her or him when you have no time for me as well.
লাইক তুই ডিরেক্টলি একটা কনফ্রন্টেশন চাইবি যে কি
Yes,
করছিস
yes,
ভাই
yes.
এরকম।
Ki like you don't have time for me, but
Then you are giving the time for the
time
enemy
for
that I hate. Okay, yeah.
so it will be a straightforward answer. Like I will send him a picture of which
Like
I
you
will click them privately.
okay, মানে ওরকমই তখনই ক্লিক করবি
একদম
ফটো।
একদম
আচ্ছা, ওকে
একদম
ওকে দেন।
একদম I will send right then and I don't know whether they will check or not, but eventually they will understand যে না যে ধরা পড়ে গেছে
ওকে ওকে,
ধরা
আমি
পড়ে
আমি
গেছে
জিজ্ঞেস করছি এরকম কোনো কি হয়েছে তোর তোর সাথে?
Hmm, not that I didn't caught them red-handed, but yes, I saw stories.
আচ্ছা,
I saw stories. I can't take the name of those people, but I saw stories.
ওকে।
And
And you didn't say anything, or it's like
no, no,
what?
no. I just preferred to be silent.
Okay.
And when they responded back, যে চ একদিন দেখা করি
হ্যাঁ
অনেকদিন
হ্যাঁ
দেখা
হ্যাঁ।
হয়নি, I didn't respond at that time as well.
Okay, that's again the same thing. Like
Do
what I'm
what they
getting,
do.
yeah, what I'm getting, that this is the best way to deal with people. Like how they will treat you, you should treat them same way. Okay,
If you
okay.
can't, if you can't take it, you shall not give it.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah. Okay. So this third situation, the
Okay.
last one is, let's say an ex who sends happy birthday every year but hasn't apologized for anything she did to you.
No, 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 no.
Like
Yes,
will you reply or do anything like what?
I have one ex like that too.
Okay. So our tea has come.
Thank you.
Okay. 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 Yeah. So back to the thing. So how are you gonna deal with her?
Yes, like oh my god, closer Daini.
Mm-hmm.
Way back, it was like 5 years from now. She didn't apologize as well.
But তো কিরকম
But
টেক্সট করে যে হ্যাপি বার্থডে
she
every year and you let that
every
happen
year.
also. এত
Yes,
তো
I do because see, I prefer not to block anyone. Like
okay.
with someone that I have spent so many years with, it's actually an emotional bond.
Hmm.
So I don't block my exes. Uh, but yes, when they text you every year for your birthday or maybe something
Special day,
special,
yeah. Then will you reply? Like, do you reply to them like her?
yes, I do reply honestly.
Okay, but
and
you
I
don't
and I text.
stretch the conversation
No,
or
no,
what?
no, no. I don't
Okay,
stretch conversations, and
okay.
to be honest, I wish them back on their birthday as well.
Again, okay, that's a good thing. Mirroring.
No, no, no.
Like they also do the same thing. कि only birthday to text for you also
Yes,
do the
yes,
same thing.
yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
great.
I can't like ignore that person which I have spent with so many years.
I think yeah, we all like
It's not like
girls or boys,
it's not
everybody has
like
this
that.
emotional
Yes, yes,
attachment. একটা
yes,
থেকে
yes.
যায় তো ওটাকে খারাপ কেন করবো?
Yes.
Like
It's
একটা
actually not
yeah,
that I have feelings for her, but
a respect,
mutual
a
respect.
mutual respect. Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Okay, so this segment is
No, no, no. I have a question.
okay.
What you will do
Okay.
when such things happen, like one of your exes texted you anywhere, WhatsApp, Instagram, you might not have any contact, you have blocked him, but he might find out
A way
something,
to
a way
contact
to
me and
contact me
suddenly
and
contact করে.
like happy birthday or a happy anniversary with your new boyfriend or
Oh
something.
my god. Okay. Firstly, I think that it depends how we ended. Okay, like how the terms were. Like if it was really bad, worse, then I think if it depends what mood I'm in. If I'm in like very irritated with my life at that phase, then I will just who the lol. I will tell that, of course. But if I'm in a very peaceful mind and all, I will not expect anything. I will not react. I think the best way to deal with people who wants the energy from you when they need is not to react at all. So আমি রিয়াক্ট করবোই না আর যদি সেটা যদি ভালো কোনো টার্মে যদি এন্ড হয়
Okay.
then maybe what I will say thank you বা okay, that's it, not a thank you, just a okay. That's the best.
True.
Just okay, that's it. Yeah, so let's move on to the next segment.
Let's go.
Yeah. Okay, so it's the second segment, which is energy vampire alert. So in this segment, I'm going to a real question, korbo simple question, and you just as it is, just answer them. It's a real talk. Okay,
Okay.
so let's get started. The first question: how do you know that someone is an energy vampire? Like what একটা কি একটা trait তুই এদের মধ্যে দেখে বুঝবি যে it's gonna be one sided only? Like what's the biggest red flag in a friendship or anything যেটা তুই দেখে বুঝে যাবি যে এই পার্সনটা জাস্ট আমার থেকে জাস্ট নিতে এসছে,
Okay.
জাস্ট এনার্জি উইল suck the energy out of me, but nothing else. আমার কোনো
Yes.
হেল্প করবে না, জাস্ট ওয়ান সাইডেড থাকবে. How you will know that?
Okay. There may be certain segments about it in case of friendship and as well as in
মানে সিচুয়েশন
relationship
থাকবে
as
কটা.
well. Yes. Uh, in case of relationship, I will say the biggest red flag is um, if he or she is disrespecting you or he or she is toxic, like কি বলবো, like
লাইক কোনো মিউচুয়াল রেসপেক্ট
একদম
নেই,
nothing.
just
হ্যাঁ, একদম।
yeah, just
In
just
that
yeah.
case, uh, I will observe the behavior first.
হুম।
Then
সেটা কি কি বিহেভিয়ার দেখে তুই বুঝে যাবি যে হ্যাঁ এই পার্সনটা এরকমই, লাইক
like
ওয়ান থিং at least.
like toxic about my friends. if she is being toxic about my friends, which I genuinely know such,
লাইক সেম তোর মধ্যে
হ্যাঁ,
ট্রেট নেই, বাট ওর
লাইক
যদি কোনো প্রবলেম থাকে অ্যাজ
ওটাই
ফ্রেন্ড
ওটাই
যে
ওটাই
টাইম কেন দিচ্ছ
টাইম
না
কেন
not-
দিচ্ছ না, লাইক
ওকে
তোদের সাথে কেন বেশি মিশছো আমার সাথে না,
ওকে ওকে
দ্যাট মে বি আ কেস।
লাইক ডু ইউ থিঙ্ক তাহলে এটাতে এটা বোঝা যায় যে শি ডাজন্ট কেয়ার অ্যাবাউট লাইক হোয়াট ইউ ওয়ান্ট, লাইক তোর যেখানে ভাল লাগছে হয়তো লাইক এনার্জি সবসময় চাইছে ওকে, লাইক শি অনলি ওয়ান্টস দ্য অ্যাটেনশন, তোর কোনো অ্যাটেনশন পাওয়া হচ্ছে না, লাইক এরকম কিছু একটা, লাইক ইউ
হ্যাঁ,
ফিল বায়াসড অর আনজাস্টিস হচ্ছে তোর তোর সাথে এরকম কিছু, ডু ইউ ফিল দ্যাট?
yes, I do feel like that. And first of all, like then I should observe that behavior, like what she is doing and what she is trying to say. Okay, then I will
লাইক ইউ শুড
want,
টক টু
হ্যাঁ,
ইউর
talk to
ফার্স্ট,
her.
হ্যাঁ আগে আগে কথা
Communication
বলে দেন
একদম,
তারপরে ইয়া।
communication should be your first priority. Then I will warn her, like there is nothing, and make her understand.
ঠিক না, মানে
Wanna
you
make-
just
I will make
you
her
make her
understand,
understand,
like
yeah.
there is no such things, and
ইনসিকিউর হওয়ার কিছু
insecure
নেই।
হওয়ার কিছু নেই, and like they are maybe good friends which you are not sure about. Then if she's again and constantly doing this, I
Then you will
will
understand. Distant like you.
distance,
Okay.
like,
Okay. So the next one is, have you ever kept someone around even when you knew they were draining you, like in energy wise? Say.
yes,
Explain
I
that.
have done that just because of pure feelings. And
Like it can be anyone, not in your dating life also. It can be a friend or
yes,
relative or like people around you, classmate, anyone.
yes, see, there are some cases like that, but uh, what you think about these situations, like you think about the feelings.
like like date হোক or তোর হচ্ছে কোনো like classmate হোক or কোনো relative হোক or anyone,
হুম,
like
আমি রিলেশনশিপের
আস্তে
ব্যাপারেই
আস্তে
বলছি।
আস্তে আস্তে ইউ ক্যান
Yes,
ফিল যে
yes,
তোর
yes.
পুরো এনার্জিটা ডাউন হয়ে যাচ্ছে
Down
উইথ
হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
দেম, যা হচ্ছে ডাউন হয়ে যাচ্ছে আস্তে আস্তে, আর তুই নেই, সো হ্যাভ ইউ স্টিল কেপ দেম অ্যারাউন্ড?
Yes, I've kept them around in, আমি তোকে রিলেশনশিপেই বলছি, জাস্ট বিকজ আই ফেসড ইট। ইন কেস অফ ফ্রেন্ডশিপ আমি
You haven't faced it,
এরকম
okay.
কিছু আমি কোনোদিন ফেস করিনি, বিকজ অল
আই থিঙ্ক ফ্রেন্ডশিপ এরকম কম হয়,
হ্যাঁ,
খুব
হয় না,
এরকম লাইক এরকম
actually।
ড্রেন করে দেয় ফ্রেন্ডশিপে, আই থিঙ্ক খুব কমই হয়
কম
এরকম
হয়।
ড্রেন আজকাল দিনে আমাদের যে জেনারেশনে। বেশিরভাগ এইসব লাভ ডেটিং রিলেশনশিপ এই
Yes,
ম্যাটারই
yes,
হয়,
yes,
বিকজ ইটস আ
yes, yes.
হিউজ অ্যাসপেক্টস অফ অল আওয়ার লাইফ, ইয়া।
এক্স্যাক্টলি।
সো
So-
ইউ kept them
Yes, I
around,
kept them
okay.
around, like just because of the pure feelings I had.
Okay.
And after a while, আমিও নিজেও বুঝতে পেরেছি যে না, it is not good for me, which she is doing, what she is doing, and that's how time went away and
Okay.
contact হারিয়ে
Okay,
গেছে।
content. Okay. Okay. The last one for this segment is, how do you deal with negative comments from your so-called friends or even your relatives or people around you? Like any negative comment about your lifestyle or career choice or anything.
See,
How do you deal with them?
negative people and their negative comments. So in case আমি যেটা ফেস করেছি and আমি যেটা করেছি, like you need to have certain boundaries for that, like there is limit for everything. So until they cross it, it's okay, but in case they do, I will honestly warn them. But if it continues, then you should back it off, when to come out of that, maybe friendship, maybe relationship, and maybe from the relatives as well.
Yes, like you should have a strong boundary that nobody can shake it off.
Yes,
Like you should know যে সবার লিমিটটা কোথায়, you should make it very clear with them, even if they don't know that, you should make it very clear with them. That's
yes,
okay.
yes.
That's a good,
Everything has a boundary, like
every
everything
relationship,
everything
say
has a expiry
every
date, everything has a
brother,
deadline, bas.
sister, cousin, relatives,
Everything,
friends,
everything,
everything has a limit, একটা boundary থাকা উচিত, like that's called self boundary, self worth. When you know your self worth, you will know what is your boundary.
True.
That is true. Okay. Okay, so do you have any question for me?
Yes,
Okay.
I do have a question for you.
Okay,
Uh,
okay, what's that?
what you have to say about the red flags, like in a guy? What are the red flags in them? What you have faced, or you might face in future as well?
দেখ ভাই আমি
What you have to say about the red flags, like in a guy? What are the red flags in them? What you have faced, or you might face in future as well?
দেখ ভাই আমি সত্যি বলে দিই আমার জীবনে তুই জানিস কি কি হয়েছে
I know the answer.
এন্ড দ্য থিং হচ্ছে আমি যখন when I'm in love অন্ধি গাধা ইডিয়েট ব্লাইন্ড মানে ডেসপারেটলি আমি গান্ধারী হয়ে যাই চোখে পাট্টিটা বেড়ে ডেসপারেটলি আমি গান্ধারী হয়ে যাই লাইক ইটস ওকে ইউনো একবার করেছে হয়তো সেকেন্ড টাইম হবে
হবে
না
না।
ইউনো এটা হবে না ইটস ওকে বাট আই নো আমি আর চান্স দেবো না বাট ইটস ওকে কি আর
আমি হয়তো জানি তুই কোন
করবো
সিচুয়েশনের কথা বলছিস, বাট আমি এখন এটা পাবলিক করছি না। But I know.
ওকে সো ইয়া সো এরকম অনেকই হয়েছে লাইক আই থিঙ্ক আই হ্যাভ ডেটেড আ বাঞ্চ অফ রেড ফ্ল্যাগস টু মাচ ইয়া like not that much but like যে কোনো ছেলেকে আই হ্যাভ met or been friends with and even my relatives also or my people like people around me in every aspect I have faced so many red flag people and তুই যে বলে in a guy like if
Yes.
I have to সেটা ডিপেন্ড করে রে সেটা সে গাইটাকে তুই অ্যাজ আ রিলেশনশিপ বলছিস দেন আই উইল সে দ্যাট সেখানে লাভ নেই
Love.
লাইক ইটস নট লাভ ইটস আ পিওর লাইক জাস্ট আমি নেব লাইক ইটস মি মানে আমি ওখানে নেই মানে আমাকে দেখাচ্ছে যে আমি আছি
Okay.
but it's a whole manipulation game or it's a whole what to say mind battle
Mind
game
battle.
then that's a big red flag আই থিঙ্ক যে সেখানে
Exactly.
কোনো আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং নেই কোনো কম্প্রিহেন্সিভ নেই জাস্ট পিওর লাইক যেটা তোমার ইটস অ্যাবাউট প্লেইং উইথ ইউর মাইন্ড ওকে এত মাইন্ড গেমস আমি পারছি না ভাই আমার পূর্ববজক সব এনশিয়েন্ট পিপল অনেক ব্যাটলস খেলেছে আর আমি নিজের মাইন্ড ওয়ার্ল্ড ওয়ার গেম খেলতে পারছি না লাইক ইটস এনাফ লাইক আই ওয়ান্ট আ হোম একটা ভালো এ হবে নর্মাল আমি আর গেম খেলতে পারছি
Healthy relationship and healthy friendship as
দো
well.
ভাই হুম আই এম কিডিং হেলদি রিলেশনশিপে তো আমি অ্যাট্রাক্ট হব না আমি তো ওই গান্ধারীর মতো রেড ফ্ল্যাগসের দিকে যাবো ভাই লাল পট্টি বেঁধেই লালের দিকে আমি এগোবো সো হুম am I kidding right so yeah so let's get to the next segment
Okay.
okay so we have reached the last segment which is who is more likely to okay so the first question is who is more likely to block someone mid convo without any guilt okay I think it's me
Yes,
it's
of course
me
তুই স্বাভাবিক ব্যাপার এটা।
if I see someone is in a mid argument and they're typing I'll block them
I don't
it's
block
toxic
people. আমি যেটা আগেও বলেছি এই ভিডিওতে, বাট I don't generally block people.
I do I'm like I'm always a blocking girl I will block them right on the face yeah
Two different personalities in one frame.
okay the next one is who is more likely to befriend their enemy just to get some more spicy info
Me.
yeah of
Yes.
course it's him
Yes,
he
yes.
has to gather some info like I know
It has to be me.
okay so the next one is who is more likely no, who is more likely to pretend they're over it but still cry at 2 a.m
Uh, it's a matchup by like 50-50 decision.
it's me
Not
I agree it's me
yes, I have done too, but like
to a some
now,
point right yeah
yes, to some
but I
point,
still do so
I don't know.
if something like happens in my life and I'm like okay, I'm
Okay.
over it I'm strong I'm dealing with the day but at the night like in the night I will be like no I will listen to sad song and make myself cry more
ফোনও আসে আমার কাছে মাঝে মাঝে যে কেউ কাঁদছে।
so yeah so I'm that person okay the next one who is more likely to write a whole note or a para after an argument or fight with their partner but then delete it and send only okay
আমি মি অফকোর্স মি যখন আমি লাইক কোনো প্যারাগ্রাফ লিখি কোনো অ্যাবাউট মাই সিচুয়েশন হোয়াট আই এম ফেসিং, বাট কিছুক্ষণ পর মনে হয় যে না, এত কিছু এক্সপ্লেন করার আমার দরকার নেই, এন্ড at the end be like, okay, do whatever you like, and that's do whatever you like,
I will
just
reply
get rid
back
of me.
with a longer paragraph, making it more
Okay,
toxic.
for me it's just okay and the end, bash.
আমার জন্য ওকে না, I will be more toxic, more hurtful, and then just মুখের উপর block. Yeah. না আপাতত না. Okay, let's back to that thing. Okay. Okay. Who is more likely to stalk their ex's new partner and report back with slides?
Again, me. I do stalk, yes, sometimes once a month maybe, to get the info what she's doing, if she's like in a relationship or not. To be honest, yes, I do, but not like প্রত্যেক সময়, but once in a while, yes, I do.
Okay. I I think if that ex really mattered to me, then I will do to some point, like যতক্ষণ I'm that over it, else I will not care only কেন আমার জানা তো কি আছে বা কেন, like I will maybe শুয়ে শুয়ে কাঁদবে if not, I'm not over it, but ওইখানে গিয়ে আরো নিজেকে দুঃখ দিতে হবে না. I will listen to sad song, I will be okay. But if that didn't mean to me anything, then I don't care whom they're dating.
I told you, two different personalities in
Yeah,
one
I don't
frame.
care. I literally don't care. আমার একটা একটা আমার আছে যে I only maintain my circle. আমার সার্কেলের আউটসাইডে গেলে I don't care what you're doing. So the next one is, who is more likely to block a cousin after a petty family group chat argument?
We cousins don't argue. It
It's
has to
me.
be you.
It's me. I'm very much, like, when it comes to relatives or any thing like that, relatives or friends outside my circle thing, then I will be like very much, a little bit ego to chalta hai udhar. Like if something happens, if something they say to me, I will always maintain a fake smile, like hi, hello, yeah, okay, I'm good, bhalo acho to thik ache, okay, that. But yeah, I will block them.
No,
I
no,
will block
I
them.
don't do. We have a pretty big group of cousins, and we don't argue in group chats, and we
No, I don't argue them, but if I don't like them and all that, and of course, wo to chalta hai thoda sa block and all.
no, no.
Okay. The next one, who is more likely to forgive and move on from some incident or bad situation they were caused by someone valuable?
Me. It has to be me.
Like তুই forgive করে move on
Yes,
করে
yes,
দিবি.
yes, yes, yes.
Will you forget it?
As I told you, I don't block anyone, like friends, my
Or do you
past
mute them?
relationships.
Mute the conversation and
Yes,
all.
yes, yes. I do, like the end, full stop, the end of everything. But I will forgive them eventually. Not maybe that time, but after a while.
Okay. But I'm like, I may forgive you after some time when my temper bit goes down,
Yes.
but I will not forget it. It will be always there. I don't forget at all. Like আমার স্টেন, আমার সবকিছু ভেতরে অভিমান থেকেই যাবে. Then later I will deal them accordingly. But forget it আমার হবে না. Move on তো I think যতক্ষণ না I'm not forgetting that, then আমার move on হচ্ছে না. So I will not move on from that. But I will act as if I moved on. It's like fake it till you make it. Okay, so with this, our third segment ends too. So thank you, Shohan, for having a real talk with me,
Welcome.
having,
I have enjoyed it.
yeah, so sharing some wisdom and some moments of laughters and all. So you guys, about you, I'm gonna say ki, if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe, like, and comment, and also let me know if you are team block mute or just move on and laugh later and just maintain your peace. So comment below to let me know about it. Until then, stay tuned for another follow up about this episode, block, mute, or just full stop. Stay tuned. Bye.